Hello guys. Welcome to the Payment Guide YouTube channel. If you're having the intention to send or receive international wire transfers through Raiffeisen Bank Italy, you should know that you can't get anywhere without a valid IBAN. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to get the correct IBAN for the Raiffeisen Bank Italy in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch this video all the way until the end without skipping any part, so you don't miss out on the key bank details you'll need later. Before we start the process, if you're new to the channel, take a brief second to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon, that you'll never miss out on our latest informative videos and payment guide updates. In this video, I will show you how to find your IBAN of Raiffeisen Bank Italy. First, you need to open the Raiffeisen app on your phone. First, you need to open the Raiffeisen app on your phone. Once the app opens, go to the Home section. On this screen, you will see your account. You will now see the main details of this account. To see more information, tap on the Account Details option. After you tap on Account Details, the app will show all your account information. Here, you can see your account number, the IBAN. The IBAN is a long number starting with your country code. So, as you can see on the screen, it is your IBAN for the Raiffeisen Bank Italy. That is the fastest, safest method to find the verified IBAN for Raiffeisen Bank Italy. If this video helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might find it useful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about international bank transfers. Thank you so much for watching the Payment Guide channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, and I will see you all in the very next video.